MILOPITA, delicious Greek apple cake. I made this recipe in 2023 after trying it in Hanya for my birthday, as my birthday cake. I've got beautiful memories associated with it now, and I recreated it here at home. Let's make it together. I like to use Granny Smith apples for my MILOPITA. You can use Pink Lady, they're also a favorite of mine, but really any apple that you prefer, that's great for baking. Just going to peel off the skin and slice them real thin, and that'll be our top layer for our MILOPITA. So I've got 4 apples that I've peeled. I'm going to set one aside for inside our cake batter. I'm going to slice these ones for our top layer. Apple slices are done. I'm going to give our apples just a little squeeze of lemon, not too much. We just don't want them to oxidize whilst we make our cake. Give that a little mix through. To the apples, I'm adding some melted butter, like so, and some brown sugar. I'm going to mix that through, and as it cooks, it's going to caramelize our apples beautifully. So I've worked the sugar into the apples, and now I'm adding a sprinkling of cinnamon. You can be as generous as you like. You know I'm very generous with my cinnamon. And I'll mix that through. Beautiful. Let's set this aside and start the cake batter. So to begin the MILOPITA, I'm going to add some butter to our mixer and some brown sugar. I like to use brown sugar in MILOPITA. I feel like it gives it more of a deeper caramel flavour. You can use caster sugar instead. This is just a personal preference. And now we're going to beat it until it's light and fluffy. All right, we're almost there. I'm just going to scrape the edges. That way we can ensure all of our sugar has been beaten into the butter, and continue a little longer. Beautiful, that's now light and fluffy. We can add our eggs one at a time, mixing in between each addition. 1 egg in. And our second one. Scrape the edges once more. We've incorporated the eggs into the butter and the sugar. Now we're going to gradually and slowly add our flour. I've added half my flour. I'm just going to add half a teaspoon of baking powder, and then continue with the rest of the flour. Some cinnamon. I never measure my cinnamon. I just measure that with my heart. In with our milk. And you can't have any Greek sweet without a little brandy. Straight in. Now there's one last thing we need to add to our cake batter, and that's our apple. I'm just going to chop it up into little squares and fold it right through. Just going to remove my whisk. Give that a little tap. Grab my bowl and add our apple straight in. Give that a nice fold through. So I've got my 9-inch cake tin here. I'm going to add the batter straight in. Always important to grease and line your cake tins. That way it just comes out easier later. Such a creamy cake batter. It's delicious. Now I'm just going to use a spatula to just evenly create a nice cake layer like so. And our apples are waiting for us from earlier to arrange on top of our cake. I like to start off in a little bit of a nice, pretty circle, following the form of the cake. And then go a little bit rustic with the leftover apples. So in Greece in 2023, we went to the bakery on my birthday. We went every day really. But the day of my birthday, they had MILOPITA. And it looked so rustic and delicious. I had to get it, and that was my birthday cake that day. When we got back from Greece, I knew I had to recreate the recipe, and here I am sharing it with you today. We're ready to bake our MILOPITA. You can see those little bits of sugar and butter on top of the apples. That's going to caramelize really nicely. Let's bake it at 180 degrees for about 40 minutes or so until the skewer comes out clean and those apples on top are nice and caramelized. Our MILOPITA has just come out of the oven. You can see how the apples have caramelized, and you can even see how it's caramelized along the cake. Really delicious. I'm going to finish it off with a little sprinkle of icing sugar, like so. Delicious, fresh, soft, full of apple, and moist. Even better with ice cream. Yum!